Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS by McChip looks like a GT3 RS. Has it licked on powered? One could say that, with the 991.2 Targa 4 GTS, the Weissach-based automaker combines elements from all the versions, as it offers partial, open-air driving plus the performance and handling you expect from a driver-focused, but non-Porsche Motorsport developed, 911. Even so, there will always be people who want more, and this is McChip DKR's offering. By replacing the aprons on both ends, front bumper and rear side panels with original Porsche parts, the tuner claims that this sports car now has a 991.1 GT3 RS-look that's enhanced by the 20-inch rims wrapped in 265/35 and 325/30 front and rear tires respectively. The interior features a few upgrades of its own, and even though the list is rather short compared to the exterior modifications, Porsche fans will probably appreciate the classical check pattern on the seats and door panels. It's not all show and no go either, not by a long mile, as the engine has been modified to produce 575 PS, 567 HP, and 675 Nm, 498 lb-ft, of torque. That's 125 PS, 123 HP, 125 Nm, 92 lb-ft, more than the stock GTS, achieved thanks to a software optimization, upgraded turbochargers, and a Capristo valve exhaust system with GT3 RS-like tailpipes. Why, it even beats the real RS, which boasts 500 HP and 338 lb-ft. Good thing it has been fitted with height-adjustable KW tread springs and Porsche ceramic composite brakes, then, to keep all that power under control.